Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get or view your email headers in Gmail. Firstly, what is a header? You can say a header is full information about a single email. In order to view that, simply open Gmail in any of your browsers. After opening Gmail, you just simply have to select one of the emails which you want to see the header of. Now, after opening the email, you just simply have to click on this three-dot button here. Now, you can see this Show Original option below the Report Spam option. Click on Show Original, and from there, it will lead you to this tab where you can see your email's header. You can also copy these details into your clipboard and download the original header file from here. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update like this. Thank you for watching the video.